All right, boom. Oh shit, today is September 28th and it's 3:39 p.m. and I'm starting my birthday early. My birthday has been a freaking headache. Like, planning everything has been a headache. Outfit, hair, like I just popped off all my nails. I'm hiding right now. I'm hiding. So I'm really simple, right? So cat eye, I like them to look natural but with some volume, you know. I've seen some in your page that are really pretty.
If you could show me which one you like. This is like the longest. This will be on the end.
On the end, yeah, because like.
Or you want them a little shorter? Like 13, 14.
14? Yeah.
You want to see?
I don't know the difference.
Okay. that just look like really long.
Yeah.
It does? So you want 14 instead?
Okay, probably. All right, let me show her something that I see on her page. Hold on. So a little update. Yesterday I did my lashes. Today I did my nails, hair, and then tomorrow is the day. I gotta be up like 10 in the morning to do my makeup. That's early. That's early. Yeah. Drip check. No, calm. I gotta stay flexible on these hoes. Now, I'm on my way to get my hair done. One more day for my birthday. And yeah. Ooh, I don't even know what to say. I'm just excited. I'm about to go see Chanel. So cute. We started already. I wasn't playing. Boom. So we gotta show the madness that I did.
Oh my god.
I'm more working.
Is you leaving it wet though?
Because it still has silicone. You see? I did that. You see the madness?
Oh, impossible. Raven is working. She told me she had.
There's no way you thought she was gonna do this today. Bro, how I did that? Alright, so boom. I'm gonna show you the final result later on. But we're gonna do TikTok and create some content. Yeah. So this is the final look. I went really simple, nothing too crazy, natural look, whatever. The outfit is given. I got chrome heart with some denim tears, regular dunks or whatever. Can't forget this. So yeah, I need to stop looking at myself every time I record. I gotta look at the camera. So yeah, this is the outfit of the birthday. Been on a mission. I've been on a mission for 3 days now, but I wasn't alone, which made it more easier. Other than that, I'm just praying everything goes and turn out the way it's supposed to turn out. But so far, the look is given. I think little basic, calm, you know, nothing too crazy. But other than that, I'm excited for what I'm going to do today. So, yeah. This is the first style where I wanted to go for my birthday. And I just want to take pictures and stuff like that, and I really do too much. Just take advantage of free gallery that I wanted to come to take pictures. So yeah, it's really pretty. Got like a bunch of stuff. Have like that over there. These big statues. Yeah. Oh, Star Wars. That's awesome. These type of things. And it's really cool. Highly recommend it. I think you should go to like free galleries and just take pictures. Yeah. But yeah, let's go. I'm excited for my next stop. This is the first stop. Second stop is still a surprise. So I kind of like this one. Yeah. What a challenge, bro. I swear to God. Okay, so right now I am on my way to the second location. The first location was gallery. Took some pictures there. It was cool. Second location. It's a surprise. I'm freaking mad. Like, I'm so hungry. Like, I'm having fun and I'm forgetting to eat. I know the last location is a restaurant. I'm going crazy. I need 2 steaks. Some lobster too. Nah, fuck that. I want 2 filet mignons. So when I get to the second location, I'm gonna vlog it and let y'all know if I like it. So yeah. Not being a bird stop. Whoa. So this is the second location.
One of the most exciting experiences in flying. Soon you'll be seeing your favorite city like never before. But first, let's go over a few things to ensure everyone's safety. Do not inflate your PFD until you have exited the aircraft.
This is really crazy. I've never done this before.
Does anybody have any questions at all for me? No? All right. I'm gonna get you guys seated one by one here. Just bear with me.
Come on now.
All right. So these are gonna go over your shoulders here.
God.